Passive income with no experience. Where to start? Imagine waking up tomorrow with money in your bank account. Money you didn't work for directly, but simply earned by making smart decisions today. Now you're probably thinking, that sounds like a dream. But what if I told you it's possible, even without any prior experience? Stick with me, and I'll show you how you can start earning passive income, even if you're totally new to the game. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for your first step towards financial freedom. Let's face it, life is expensive. Bills pile up, your dream vacation feels out of reach, and the pressure to get ahead in life can sometimes feel overwhelming. What if there was a way to break free from the rat race and build a stream of income that works for you, even while you sleep? That's where passive income comes in. The best part? You don't need years of experience, and you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Today, I'll walk you through practical steps to start earning passive income with zero experience. But here's the kicker. These steps are proven and, when done right, can completely change your financial future. Step 1. Start with what you have. Let's start with the most important concept. You don't need to invest in real estate or start a massive online business to begin earning passive income. In fact, you already have everything you need to get started. It's time to stop waiting for the perfect moment. You've heard it a million times. Start where you are. But seriously, this is your golden opportunity. Do you have a spare room? Or maybe a parking spot that's collecting dust? That's money right there. Imagine renting out a room to short-term renters. Think about the extra income that could bring in just from an underutilized space in your home. Or how about renting out that parking space in a busy neighborhood? The best part? No experience needed. Yeah, I know. Renting out a parking spot might sound crazy at first, but trust me, in a crowded city, you'd be surprised how much people are willing to pay for one. Step 2. Think bigger, but start small. All right, now that you've got your foot in the door, let's talk about scaling. It's time to shift your mindset from just making extra cash to building a consistent income stream. But don't jump ahead of yourself. This doesn't mean you need to go out and buy a dozen properties or invest in complicated stocks right away. Start by exploring micro investments. You can use platforms that allow you to invest in real estate or even stock portfolios with just a few dollars. The goal here is to start small. A little here, a little there, and before you know it, you've built a portfolio that's working for you. Remember, the power of passive income is in consistency, not complexity. But here's the secret. The longer you wait, the more money you lose. I'm not saying you need to quit your job tomorrow, but you've got to start now if you want to see a significant difference in your financial future. Now, I know, at this point, you're probably thinking, but I have no time. Well, guess what? You do have time. Trust me, it's easier than deciding whether to scroll through TikTok or invest in your future. Step 3. Automate for freedom. Here's where things get really exciting. You've started with small, easy steps, and now you've built a foundation. But the true power of passive income comes when you learn how to automate it. You see, the most successful people don't work hard for their money. They make their money work for them. You can do this too. Tools like investment apps, automated rental platforms, and dividend-paying stocks can run on autopilot once you've set them up. Think about it. Your income is flowing in while you sleep. How? Because you've set systems in place that manage themselves. Now, before you get too excited, there's a crucial step most people overlook when automating. And if you miss this step, everything else can fall apart. So stay tuned, because I'll reveal this game-changing tip in just a minute. Step 4. Protecting your investment and reaping the rewards. Here's the game-changing step. Protect your passive income streams by diversifying and reinvesting. It's easy to get excited when you start seeing that extra income coming in, but the key to building long-term wealth is to keep it growing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Whether you're renting out property, earning dividends, or investing in index funds, make sure you spread your investments. Diversifying gives you security and allows you to weather economic storms without derailing your passive income flow. But here's the thing. If you don't start today, you could be losing out on years of potential growth. The longer you wait to diversify and reinvest, the less time your money has to grow. By starting small, thinking long-term, and automating your income streams, you can build the financial freedom you've always wanted. And it doesn't matter if you're 18 or 30, because you're building your future right now. So, what's stopping you? Take that first step today, because every moment you wait is a moment you could have spent building wealth. The power is in your hands. Will you take it?